UDP President Metba Lyngdoh categorically denied rumours of HSPDP leaving the Regional Democratic Alliance RDA. He assured that the alliance remains intact and strong. Recently, the UDP working president mentioned a trust deficit between the parties due to the Lok Sabha poll loss. But Lyngdoh clarified that UDP does not blame the HSPDP for the defeat. When asked about the HSPDP contesting MDC poll separately, Lyngdoh explained that the alliances function differently in MP and MDC elections. He confirmed that an RDA meeting will...
The RDA, which is the alliance of the HSPDP and the UDP, are very much intact and there's no problem at all. So whatever has appeared in the media is not correct. And I would like to say this on behalf of the UDP. At the same time, after I have spoken with the president of the HSPDP.
Meghalaya TMC President